All right, so files trim trailing whitespace. By default, this is disabled, so it's set to false. And what is this thing? Let's enable it and see how this works. So if you have whitespace here, or here, or here, or something like that, and you save the file. Oh, wait. Interesting. This was triggered on autosave. I wasn't expecting that. The trim final new lines does not trigger on autosave, but this one does. Interesting. Okay, cool. So you see what this does, right? When enabled, it will trim whitespace when saving a file. So if you have whitespace after the end of the line, it's going to remove that whitespace. Usually, that's a good thing. I can remember sometimes creating text files with kind of a table thing. Like sometimes I want to do, column 1, column 2, column 3, and I add some data here, and I want to keep the tabs because I just want to be able to write something here, right, and then select something here and right there as well. So keeping these tabs is actually cool. Let's try and save the file. Yeah, and it removed the trailing white space on the end of the line. Now, I used to do this to, sometimes I needed to organize ideas or something like that. I haven't done this in a long while, and I use Workflowy for to organize ideas and notes to if I need to write in long form. I don't really do this anymore, so I'm going to leave this one as true. So I'm gonna trim all trailing whitespace from the end of lines. However, if I find some use case where that's actually it's causing me trouble, I'm gonna re-record this video and show you the use cases where this might cause trouble. Otherwise, just assume that this is a good thing because it removes unnecessary white space, and for now I'm just gonna leave it as true.